Welcome to the Fizzy Show. Fizzy, Fizzy, close your eyes, close your eyes.
Okay.
And open. Happy birthday.
Wow, a fish.
Isn't he awesome? But I think I've forgotten something, though.
Phoebe, we don't have a fish tank.
That's it. I forgot a fish tank. Oh, no. What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
No, it's okay, Phoebe, it's okay. We can use a bit of fizzy magic and get us a fish tank. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop.
Wow, Fizzy!
We can make an awesome underwater slime aquarium for him. We just need some help. Miss Hands, we're definitely gonna need a hand.
Oh, hi, Fizzy and Phoebe. Hey, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands. Oh, is that a fish? It is so cute.
We need to make our new friend a home with our super awesome new fish tank.
Oh, great. And look, you already have these super cool items to help us create our tank. Let's take a closer look.
Wow! Shark! Shark!
I think I accidentally magicked a shark in our tank. Maybe we should put him in his own bowl of water. Oh, hello, shark.
What else can you see there?
Whoa! Pebbles!
Yeah, and plants.
Oh, this is gonna be awesome!
Well, let's start making. Okay, first we need a base for our fish tank. Phoebe, can you tell me what's at the bottom of the ocean?
Sand! Pebbles!
Yes, we can use these. They're so pretty. Look at them. Let's add them in.
Can I add some?
Sure you can, Phoebe.
Here's another handful.
Thanks, Phoebe. Let's add the rest. So we have our base. What's next?
Oh, look at these rocks. What color are they, Miss Hands?
It's aquamarine. Isn't that pretty? It's just like the ocean when it meets the beach. Where should we put them, Fizzy?
Oh, we could make a pile in the corner, just here.
That's a great idea.
Can we add some shells, too?
Sure, let's put them all in.
Woohoo! It looks great!
Can we add the water yet?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, how awesome is this? I'm gonna make a huge old bowl of slime water. First, we need the water. And now we have this. We can add in our magical powder and give it a good stir. You ready? Let's do it. Just keep stirring and mixing that magic powder in. And we go the other way. This is clockwise. And now we go anti-clockwise. That's going around the other way. Isn't it a beautiful color? And I feel it's starting to thicken up a bit. Ooh, look at how gloopy that is. It's really starting to thicken up. Woo, it's stretchy. It's getting much, much thicker now. Oh, yay, look at that. I think our slime water is ready.
Oh, it's so gooey.
Look, Phoebe, if we stretch it like this, we can see how slimy it is.
Whoa, Miss Hands, can you see me?
I can see you, Phoebe. Look. Whoa.
It's like being behind a gloopy, stretchy, slimy waterfall. I love it!
Okay, everyone. Let's pour our slime water into the tank. Okay, I'm a little nervous, but it's going in. Whoa, look at that go. And it's still pouring.
Wow, that's amazing! Can we add my fish now, please, Miss Hands?
Sure. Did you name him yet?
Yeah, he's called Luke. Oh, Luke looks so happy in his new home.
Luke is such a fun name, Fizzy.
I know.
Yay, we have Luke. That's one fishy. And a second fishy. That's two. And a third fishy. That's three. 3 fishies. Wow, and a shark.
Oh, don't worry, Phoebe. This little shark just wants to be friends with all the other fish. Did you know there are over 500 different kinds of sharks in our oceans?
Whoa, that's so many. Hey, Phoebe, we should get all our items ready for our slime aquarium. Here we go. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Busy, Bop.
Time to get crafting our underwater slime aquarium. Look at this orange plant. Isn't that cool? Let's put it in the water.
I think we should put it over there.
Ooh, good idea, Fizzy. Let's see if we can wiggle this super cool plant into our slime aquarium. I'm gonna have to put my whole hand in here. It's very slimy. And wiggle it into the pebbles. Woohoo, look at that. Oh, Phoebe, what happened?
I thought the fishes might like some plants.
Oh, well, that's a great idea, but these look a bit messy. Now we have coral and seaweed. Oh, and look, a little friend.
Oh, look, a crab.
Where did they come from?
I think they were nestled in the plants. I think we should call this crab Wren.
Awesome sauce.
Let's make Wren the crab comfy in our aquarium. Here you go, Wren. There we go. And you know, crabs are so cool because they walk sideways.
Whoa, that is so cool. Let me try.
Phoebe, you crab walked into me.
Sorry, Fizzy. I'll crab walk away.
Coral is super important for fish in the sea. Some corals provide nutrients and others provide shelter. And they come in lots of different shapes, sizes, and colors. That's what makes it so awesome. Plants are important too. Some fish eat the plants, and others just swim in between them.
Oh, look, an octopus.
Can I call her Alicia?
Of course you can, Phoebe. Did you know that an octopus can change color depending on its mood? Aw, Alicia, you must be really happy. Let's add a few more of these colorful plants. I love these purple ones we have here. Oh, into the gloopy gloopy gloop. In you go, little plant. And we have our other one. We're going to put that right next to it. And look at this blue and white plant we have here. It's so pretty. I'm going to put it over in this corner right here. In we go, into the gloopy slime. And into the petals. Ooh, look how gooey my hand is.
Look, Miss Hands. I thought these would look good in our tank. Oops. I dropped them.
Oh, don't worry, Phoebe. Let's add them in. Just look at all these colors. They're gonna look so bright in our tank.
Look, everybody.
Oh, Phoebe, you have a starfish.
Her name is Maria.
Starfish have 5 arms. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we go, Maria. Let's put you right over here next to Luke and the shark. Whoop.
This has been the best day ever.
Oh, look! Alicia the octopus agrees too. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you